All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to enable or disable the beta version of Steam. So Steam occasionally comes out with a new, fancier version that allows you to demo some of their new features that are coming out, like new controller supports, the ability to record or broadcast natively through the Steam overlay, those kind of things. And to enable or disable that, all you have to do is go to the upper left-hand corner, go to Steam, click on it, and then go down to Settings. Inside of Settings, you have a whole bunch of little options in the left-hand sidebar. You want to scroll down till you find the one labeled Interface, and then here underneath of the option to turn on or off the 24-hour time clock, you have one that's called the Client Beta Participation. From here, you can pull this little pull down. It should say no beta chosen initially. And then you can select the Steam beta update, which is what I currently am running. And what will end up happening is it will ask you if you want to close and restart Steam. You say yes, it will close and then do what looks like a standard Steam update. It'll download and install the new update to Steam, and then you can play around with it and run it and check out all the cool stuff yourself. Now, it's worth noting that if you have any problems or you run into some bugs or it causes Steam to be stuttery or crash, which has happened in the past, you can uninstall it by simply going back to Steam, back to the Steam settings, and then go down to Interface and revert the Steam beta participation back to no beta. It will then restart again, ask you, if you want to restart, and say yes, and then it'll install what looks like yet another update to just reinstall the old version, and then it'll be just whatever the most recent stable public version is that is out about in the wild. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a quick little look at how to find and download the Steam beta version for the launcher itself, not specifically for games. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.